Okay.
And may also have the zip code.
Zip code?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, I have to think about this one. This was the one I was having a tough time on. If it's 9, it starts with the 9090. Because then they told me that I was going to fail if I said O. Because O isn't a number, it's a letter. And I was like, oh, that's silly. It's like, yeah. And then, oh, okay. 9021. It's either 0 or 7. It's 0. It's 0.
Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, can you please provide me also the serial number of your console for me to be able to pull up your account
Bagel?
on our system?
Bagel? I like bagels. I like mine bagels with some cream cheese on it. Those are good.
No, sir. I mean the serial number of your console.
Oh.
You can't really do something about your issue about the console not being able to read the disk, and I can't help you if you don't provide me the serial number of your console.
It's not my console that's not working. It's my game. Where do you live so then I can send it to you so you can fix it? Or should I bring it back to the store?
You can also do that, sir.
Should I bring it back to the store?
Yes, sir. You can just go to the retail store where you purchased it and have them replace the this for you.
Does it matter if I bought it back when I was 6?
And how old are you now, sir?
I'm 7 now.
You're 7, so that's
I got it for my birthday. And my birthday was on February 3rd. When's your birthday?
Right, so sir, we can really replace your game
Wait,
for you.
but-
And what particular game are you trying to play?
I was playing Halo Reach, but then I took it out because it wasn't working. Now I was gonna play Call of Duty because that
Sir?
game's fun. I like playing zombies.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt, but you said
Okay,
you
that's
purchased it
okay.
a year ago. Is that correct?
I don't know. I'm 7 years old now, and I was
Yeah,
6
then you
years old
purchased
then.
it,
5,
when did you purchase
6, 7. That was 1 year ago. Well,
it? So 1 year
I got
ago,
it.
you
I
just-
got it from my daddy for my birthday.
And we just released the Halo Reach last year.
Oh, but that wasn't the game that was broken. That was the game that I was playing. That was the game I was playing
May I
after.
ask what is the game that you're trying to play that is not working?
Oh, I was playing Guitar Hero 3. I was playing Guitar Hero 3.
Guitar Hero.
3. The third one.
Yes, sir, the third one.
Because I'm getting pretty good at counting now. I can almost
Yes.
count up to
Right.
18. But then my daddy says that I do it wrong, so I have to start over.
Right, so but yeah, anyway, sir, can you please provide me still the serial number of your console? Because your console is with that is the one that we will be registering here on our system. It's not the game.
Registering?
So for me to be able to pull up
What?
your account,
What does registering mean?
pardon?
What does registering mean? You said that you need my serial to register.
All of the consoles are registered in our system.
Oh,
To be
register.
able to assist you further,
See,
I will be asking you for the serial number of your console. Now, if you don't provide me the serial number, I don't have anything to put my notes on, or I can pull up your.
oh,
your account here, and I will be able to help you with this one.
will you be fired if I don't find you a serial number? Because I don't want that to happen. But actually, if it does happen,
sir.
then we'll be able to
No,
have
sir.
more play dates after.
But the thing is, I can't do my job here if you don't provide me one.
Oh,
So I might
where,
have to release this
where's
call
my
if you can
cereal?
provide me the serial number.
Where's my cereal?
That is located at the back of your console, just below the barcode.
The bag of the I don't have a bag for my console.
Right. And you said your name is Matt?
What?
Your name's Matt?
No.
No? Right.
What?
Okay, so, sure. I have to ask again. Can you please provide me the serial number of your console? Because if you can't provide me one,
My name is Scooter.
I will be releasing this call, so I won't be able to assist you further.
No.
With this one.
Wait. Can you call me Scooter McAwesome before I can find it? Cause that'll make me feel better.
No.
Can
Sure,
you?
it's located at the back of your console. Do you
No.
have your console there?
I do, but I
do?
can't get to it unless you call me Scooter McAwesome.
Pardon?
If you call me Scooter McAwesome, then it'll make me feel better, and then I'll be able to go to my console and find it.
Yes, sir. Can you spell that for me, please, so that I'll be able to call you then?
SCOOTER. And then you want me to spell my last name?
Yes, sir.
COLENSWORTH. Is that good? Did I spell it right?
Alright, so that's Scooter.
Yeah, Scooter.
Alright. And your last name is... How do you pronounce your last name, sir?
Collinsworth. I have
Collinsworth.
I have a sister named Candy Collinsworth. My
Alright,
sister's
Collinsworth.
nice. And then my sister said that when I turned 8, she will get me a better present than just a punch to the face.
What's that, sir?
My sister said that when I turned 8, she would give me a better present than having a box out, and then when I open it, she puts her fist through the bottom and punches me. And then she said it was funny. So then I laughed.
And why would she do that, sir?
I don't know, but she seems pretty nice because she said it was funny.
Hurting someone is not funny, right?
Oh. Well, I didn't feel hurt because she said it was funny.
Probably it's her way in wearing you.
Why? Wait, what's wrong with it?
Well, you can ask her that one, sir. I don't really know why, but probably she can answer that question for you.
Do you think she should apologize to me?
Well, sir, if you're going to ask me, yes, I think so. But going back to the issue, sir, I will be releasing this call if you don't provide me.
You didn't call me Scooter McAwesome though.
Yes, sir. I really need the serial number.
And sir, okay, I'm gonna tell you, but when you instead of saying sir, can you say Scooter McAwesome? Cause then I'll go find it.
Scooter McAwesome.
Yay! I'm gonna go find it now. Okay. Yay! I'm going. I'm at my Xbox. Let me look. Where would it be?
That is located at the back of your console, just below the barcode.
Where's the barcode? Oh, I think I found it. It's on the bottom of it.
Yes.
Okay. Serial number. Okay, ready?